Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to type squared or cubed or whatever you want to do on a Mac computer. I'm also going to be showing you how to, in chemistry, when you get the numbers below the, element or whatever, I'm also going to be showing you how to do that. So, what you want to do is, first of all, you want to go into Keynote or whatever kind of app you have. It will probably work in Word. I haven't tested it, but I'm sure it will work. And you want to go in the top bar here, and you want to go to Insert. You want to go all the way down to Equation. And what you want to do is it will come up with this. And so, let's say I want to do 15 squared. So I put 15 in there. You want to hold down Shift. And let's say I want to do squared. So I'm going to, above the number 6, there should be an arrow going up. So whilst you're pressing Shift, you want to click that arrow. As you can see, I've done it here. Then I want to do squared, for example. So then I'm just going to put in the number 2 after that arrow. And it should come up like that. So I want to put this on my PowerPoint Keynote, whatever it is, and it comes up there. Let's say I now want to do those chemistry ones. So if I wanted to do, let's just say hydrogen. So I want to do hydrogen. And let's say there's 2 hydrogens. So you want to press Shift again, and you want to go to that there. I'm not entirely sure what it's called, but it's next to the equals and plus button on your keyboard. So it's the one to the left of that. So you want to hold down Shift and do that. Only do it once, because if you do it twice, then it comes up with invalid equation. And then, so I want 2 of hydrogen, and it should come up like that. And that is it, really. I hope this has helped. Please leave me a comment below if there's anything else you would like me to show you how to do. And that's about it.